Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject verb agreement with the focus being on expressions of amount. An expression of an amount, a measurement, a percentage, or a fraction, for example, may be singular or plural depending on how it is used. Rule number 1. An expression of an amount is singular when the amount is thought of as a unit and is plural when the amount is thought of as separate parts. For example, 5,000 bricks is a heavy load for this truck. The bricks are thought of as a unit, and for that reason, 5,000 bricks is singular and therefore takes the singular verb is. However, if we say 5,000 bricks are scattered on the lot, the bricks are thought of separately, and for that reason, 5,000 bricks is a plural subject and therefore takes the plural verb are. In the first sentence, the bricks are thought of as a unit. However, in the second sentence, the bricks are thought of separately. See the difference? So when the bricks are thought of as a unit, 5,000 bricks is a singular subject. However, when the bricks are thought of as separately, 5,000 bricks is a plural subject. Another example. 2 days is the amount of time we will spend visiting each college campus. 2 days is one unit, and for that reason, 2 days is a singular subject that takes the singular verb is. However, if we say 2 days of this month are school holidays, I believe. In this context, the expression 2 days means separate days. And for that reason, 2 days is a plural subject and it therefore takes the plural verb are. See the difference? Rule number 2. A fraction or a percentage is singular when it refers to a singular word and is plural when it refers to a plural word. For example, 1/4 of our high school's student body is employed. The fraction 1/4 refers to the singular noun student body, and for that reason, it takes the singular verb phrase is employed. Let's look at this sentence. 1/4 of the students are employed. In this context, the fraction refers to the plural noun students, and for that reason, it takes the plural verb phrase are employed. See the difference? Another example. 75% of the junior class is 16 years old. In this context, the percentage refers to the singular noun class, and for that reason, it takes the singular verb is. However, in another sentence, 75% of the juniors are 16 years old. In this context, the percentage refers to the plural noun juniors, and for that reason, 75%, a plural subject, takes the plural verb are. See the difference? Rule number 3. An expression of measurement such as length, weight, capacity, or area is usually singular. For example, 4 7/10 inches is the diameter of a CD. The measurement is singular, therefore it takes the singular verb is. Another example. 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. In this sentence, the measurement 8 fluid ounces, a singular subject, takes the singular verb equals. 200 kilometers was the distance we flew in the hot air balloon. 200 kilometers is a singular subject, therefore it takes the singular verb was. Another example. 3 cups of flour is what the recipe requires. 3 cups of flour, a singular subject, takes a singular verb is. Rule number 4. In the expression, the number takes a singular verb. In the expression, a number takes a plural verb. For example, the number of female athletes is growing. The number, a singular subject, takes a singular verb phrase is growing. However, in this example, a number of girls like strenuous sports. In this sentence, a number is a plural subject, and for that reason, it takes the plural verb like. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.